My name is David Bakar, and I'm from the Midwest, from Michigan originally. JNR provided some really good services I'm really proud of. The interlocking pavers. We did some artificial grass. The concrete also was given to me. It's called concrete curbing, and so did a very fine job on each one of the different projects there, and it was very efficient. Very fast, very I would say customer oriented, customer service oriented. Each individual would explain whatever they were doing, and you could ask them any kind of question you wanted, and they felt like I'm here to give you that information, plus I'm here to do a fantastic job. And exactly that's what they did. They stayed right on cue, and so you developed a really good relationship with each crew, each project that they were doing. So I knew from the first day that I interacted with these guys that, hey, we made the best, the very best. I'd more than recommend it because I want them to have the good service and the grand job that I have. Yes, I would, without a moment's hesitation.